Hi there, I'm Joao Gil and this is about number theory. Almost 2 years ago, I published two videos where I explained how every positive integer is related to each other. Thus, every positive integer will reach the cycle 4 to 1 when using the equations 3n plus 1 for odd numbers and n over 2 for even numbers. No matter the number one chooses at the beginning, the Collatz conjecture is true. The videos I made had poor quality, so I decided to make a new one. So let's start. When analyzing the positive integers, one can separate them into several groups. First of all, there are two main groups: the numbers which after 4 iterations are bigger than the initial number, the red cells, and the ones which after 3 iterations result in a number smaller than the initial number, the blue cells. Let's ignore the first group for now, the red cells. With the blue cells, one excludes the yellow cells, so the resulting number will be the last iteration, which is in the blue cells. This pattern repeats itself every 8 numbers, so as you can see, one begins with the number 1 until one reaches the number 7, and then we start with the number 0 until one reaches the number 7 again. As far as the other group is concerned, the red cells, that pattern occurs with the numbers listed as 3 and 7 in the column to the right. For these numbers, there is a list to the left where one starts with 0, that is, the fourth iteration will result in a number which is listed as 0 in the column to the right of the table. When either the number 3 or 7 is reached, one starts with the number 0 again to the left until either the number 3 or 7 is reached again. When that occurs, another column listed from 0 to 7 is written to the left, and thus the cycle is repeated. That assures the number will eventually reach a number in the blue cells, that is, a number which is listed as green in the right column. These numbers result in a number which is smaller than the initial number. So we can draw the conclusion that every number is related to a smaller number. After knowing that the numbers 1, 2, and 4 fall in the only possible cycle, we can ascertain that every other number will be related to these three numbers, thus every number goes to 4, 2, and 1.